Hey guys, it's Zach and welcome back to the shop. I just want to really quickly show you how to get the full 48 inches out of your Axiom AR8. It's a small little tweak you can make inside of the menu, and I will show you how to do that right now. The only other thing you're going to want to make sure you check is once you turn your machine back on, make sure it doesn't hit that when you push your Y plus all the way back. Just so keep an eye on that while you're moving it for the first time. If it hits that, then you've gone too far. You're going to want to make a change and bring that, that table size down a little bit. Well, there you have it, guys. That's how easy it is to get the full 48 inches out of your Axiom AR8. I use this actually quite a bit for my cornhole sets because they are a full, it's 47 and a half. You can't push it, you can't push your bit to 48, but you're gonna, you can ride along that line. So that's how I'm able to pull that kind of stuff off. But hopefully that helps somebody, and this is a little quick tip. So thanks for watching, folks, and I will see you next time.